Hi class, my name is Cynthia Ramirez and I'll be your instructor for Pharmacy Calculations PHT 130. So we will be working online through the Canvas portal. In order to get to the Canvas portal, you can go directly to the website. So let me pull it up really quick. So www.imperial.edu. So go to the school's website. Let's see it upload. Should have had it ready. Okay, so now that it uploads, you will go to Students, and then you will go ahead and click on Canvas. And it will ask you to log in. Since I'm already logged in, it's just sending me to the classes. So the first part of this is you will see is your dashboard. So it'll have all the classes that you're enrolled in. So you'll click on PHT 130 and you'll come to the first page. Just click on it since I'm already here. So you'll come to the welcome page. Tells you a little bit about myself and how I'm looking forward to working with you. Again, this is the first time this class is offered online, so we're eager to learn together and work, and hopefully you guys will by the end of this course know a lot about the mathematics that it has to deal with the pharmacy setting. So most of the time we'll be working on modules. And that's where you will have all your sections for each class, each week, I mean. We will have discussions. Too fast. Each week we'll have discussions. You will go through, let's see, an overview of the chapter. So the first part will be the overview of the chapter, what you will learn in this chapter, what is expected of you after completing the chapter. So you are to read the chapter 1 in the book, view the video content for each section. We'll be performing some mathematics along with the chapter. After that, you will complete some assignments, upload them, and then Thursdays we will have an online conference to discuss any issues you might have with the chapter, anything that you do not understand in the chapter. We can discuss that on Thursday evenings. We'll set up a best time for all of us to meet. Usually I would like to start at 6, but if you guys need something later in the day, we can accommodate to see if the majority of you guys, of the students, can meet at a later time, or at 6 would be a perfect time. and then you'll complete a chapter review and of course submit that work. So basically that's what you'll be doing every single week for all the chapters that we have to complete for this week. And so here you'll click on next, and it will just take you through the module and complete each section. In order to, let's see, this is going. In order to, for the conferences, on Thursdays, you will go to this section here on Conference Zoom. So you'll click on that. Remember, the first time that you do log in, you have to have a username and password. So you need to create an account, and it's free. So you don't have to worry about that. But then it will give you a ID to log in. So it should be set up here. And it will send you also a link to your email. So make sure you either click on that link or go directly on here and click on the link that will be here. I'm not sure why it's not showing up, because I know it set some up, but again, this is a work in progress, so bear with me as I am also learning along with you. And again, don't hesitate to ask. In order to contact me, of course, there's this section here, which is the inbox. So you'll be able to send me an email. You can also send emails to other students that are in the class. So make sure you check your inbox constantly to check the stuff that's going on. Okay? Make sure you also set up your account settings in your profile. Add a picture of yourself so we can see who you are. And go to settings, your notifications. You want to make sure you add your email address and stuff like that, where you want your emails inbox to go to. They will also be going to your email, private email, if you set that up. Notifications, you want to make sure that you set this up as well. I've already put some links for you guys to watch videos on in order to be able to set up your notifications. But the most important is grades and stuff like that you want to set it up in order to receive. As soon as I post a grade, you'll get a notification that your grade has been posted, so you can look at it and find out if you're missing any work or something needs to be added in order to get full credit. So just wanted to pop in here and say hi, introduce myself, and remember which class you're taking. If you have any questions, again, please email me. I will return your emails within, give me about 24 to 72 hours from when you sent it. I'll try to respond as early as I can. Okay, here's your notification settings, as you can see. So you'll set up where you want the remaining information to go to. Due dates added to your calendar. If you want it to be sent to your email, you would check off that box. And things like that. Grading, of course, you want this checked off where you want to receive it. So I want to receive them on both of my IBC email and private email. Okay, so those are some of the things I wanted to go over with you. So hopefully you have a good day, good night, whenever you watch this, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.